Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change payment account Google Play Store. So what you have to do is just simply go to your home screen. Just simply go to your settings and search sync. Then choose account and sync. So it might be different for you like account info, Google info or sync or account sync or something like that. So it will basically be over there. So after that, just simply open it, then decimally. Now over here, you will find multiple Gmail address. So what you have to do is just simply choose that particular email address at the bottom and click remove account. Don't worry, we'll again and add this account, but for now, just simply remove it. Now, after you have done that, just simply go back to your Play Store and click at the profile icon. Then click on add another account. Now enter the email address that you just removed. Then after you have added your account back, which you can check right over here as the account has been again added, and now just simply go to the home screen, then just simply close the application where you wanted to make the account change, then reopen that application again. And now when I go to purchase, then click on a certain amount, you can see the email address has been changed. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.